Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Vicki. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you. This is a perfect recipe for anything you're doing in the summer, from a barbecue to a cookout to a picnic, celebrating Memorial Day, Labor Day, Father's Day, 4th of July. We are making loaded baked beans. You heard that right, loaded baked beans. I had this a long time ago at a birthday party. They didn't call it loaded baked beans, and a good friend of ours made it and has since passed away. But I wanted to share this recipe with you all. So I Googled what I remembered being in it, and this is what came up. And this is actually, I think it's Paula Dean's recipe. So I will have the ingredients on the screen as well as the recipe linked in the description box. Also, I would like to say hello and welcome to all my new subscribers. And if you don't care, hit that like button. It really helps me out if you like these types of videos. And if you would like to subscribe, I would love to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Let me show you what we're going to need and let's get started. We're going to need approximately a pound of ground beef or ground round, some bacon. I'm just using the microwave bacon, some barbecue sauce, brown sugar, chopped 1 medium onion and 1 green bell pepper, salt and pepper. I've got this savory maple seasoning from Pampered Chef. I think I might throw a little bit of that in there. 1 can of the Bush's Original Baked Beans, a 28 ounce, and some maple syrup. I'm using this. It's not really, true maple syrup, but it's what I've got. And we're going to use a little bit of water in it. So I'm going to start out. I'm going to put a little bit of vegetable oil in the bottom of my skillet here and just put it on medium heat. And I'm going to chop up my green pepper and onion and get that started. Put my peppers in, start sauteing. Now we're just going to add our onions in. And we're just going to saute these until they get tender and a little bit, the onions get a little translucent, and then we're going to add our ground beef. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my ground beef to our peppers and onions because this is going to finish cooking in the oven. It's basically, most of it's going to be done. It's just going to keep it warm, and those peppers and onions are going to soften even more. What are you all doing for Memorial Weekend? It's rainy here in eastern Kentucky. It's been raining for the last 3 days. It's supposed to rain all next week too. I guess we're having one of those winters they talk about. Like, I know we've had dogwood and snowball and redbud already. I'm not sure what all different ones they are, but I'm sure we're having one of them. It is 75 degrees out, so it's not real cold, but it's really raining. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my 28 ounces of baked beans in here. You can add more if you want to make a bigger batch or double it. You could definitely add, I probably would have got another can, but it's okay. I sent my husband, and that is what the recipe called for, but I would have probably got another can, but I think we'll be fine because we're having plenty of food. So we're going to add those baked beans in there. Add our maple syrup. Add our barbecue sauce. Add some brown sugar. Add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. I've also got some of this savory maple seasoning from Pampered Chef. I'm going to add some of that. It smells amazing. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. Hopefully these will fit in that pan. That's a pretty good lot. I sure would have liked to have another can of beans, but that's okay. I'm gonna take my microwavable bacon I fixed and just cut it up right in here in chunks. Or break it up with your fingers, however you want to do it. Or you can cook, bacon. I just use the microwave bacon. Smells good. Can you smell it, Chad? Do you like baked beans? Smells amazing. Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more ingredients in there. And we want it to simmer. I'm gonna put a little bit more syrup. A little bit more barbecue sauce. Oh yeah, smells amazing. And honestly, the only thing I'm going to do is put it in my pan, put it in the oven at 350, and I'm going to leave it, cover it with foil, and leave it in there till we're ready to go. So it won't hurt it. The only thing it could do is if it cooked the liquid out too much, and I don't think it will do that. I'm going to put that pan on a cooking sheet because it's flimsy and I'm afraid it will bend and spill. Okay, let's transfer this to our pan. Hopefully it'll hold it all. It's pretty full, Chad. Whoa. It did, it fit. I spilled a little bit on the stove, but it fit. Whoa. Let me put some foil. Can you all see? It got really full, but it held it. It held it all. I'm going to put some foil on it and let my husband put it in the oven for me. And we're just going to let it hang out there till we're ready to go. Put this around it and put it in the oven. And like I said, let it hang out there until we're ready to go. We'll have to carry it over there on this sheet too because it's so full. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, I just got my baked beans out of the oven. I did transfer them from this to this because it was absolutely afraid it was going to spill out. So I've got them in this. Everything's ready. Everything's cooked up. It looks amazing. And yeah, I'm excited to eat them. These baked beans turned out absolutely delicious. Everyone loved them and wanted the recipe, and I'll definitely be making them again.